Don't forget to subscribe. There will be a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Today I got a good video for you guys. I'll be showing you how to get the ultimate amount of revs and crackle pop pops from your exhaust. As you can see, I'm at my brand new house. Yes, you can get houses in Driving School Sim. I really do like this house. There we go. Pretty nice. As you can see, there's a beautiful airplane just being swept away by the wind, which is really funny. But today, we are going to be talking about crackle pop pops from exhaust pipes. So basically what you want to do is get into Sport Plus mode because they'll only work in Sport and Sport Plus, and we only like Sport Plus mode here in Automotive Activities. Now you want to start up your car. Also remember, you want the manual transmission because this is only possible with it when you're driving, but in standstill you can use the automatic transmission. But what you want to do, basically how to get the crackle pop pops in this game, which is pretty realistically true even in real life, is you want to rev it right around 4,000 to 5,000 RPM, which is pretty, yeah, that's pretty good. Like, yeah, right there. I'll let you listen. Okay, so that's how you get crackle pop pops when you stand still. Hey there, Mr. Tren car thing. Wait, how is he gonna go past the bound? Yo, he can actually phase through objects. That's pretty dope, I guess. Anyways, so basically, to rev during standstill, remember just to stay between the 3 and 5,000 RPM. But if you want those ultimate crackle pop pops, you want to be between 4 and 5,000. But you really need quick fingers for this because you really need to just tap it very lightly like that. See, if you go too much, it'll just like not do anything. So it's like right in that area. Now when we're driving, oh my god, there's a train track that probably will destroy my bumper. I should have probably not bought in this house. Anyways, let's just get over the train track. Just like that. Beautiful. And now I'll show you how to get crackle pop pops when you're driving. It's pretty simple. You just go like this. So you know you had to go between right here, right? Now you oh no, that was neutral. Okay. We gotta get into one. Okay. So right here. Okay. So let's get into a standstill. Let's rev the car a little bit. Launch control maybe. Okay, let's just go right here. Oh no, that was a little bit too late. So you want to like change right there. And if you change downshifting, let's go up. Just like that. Okay. And now, right there. Yeah, there we go. The crackle pop pops are coming in. Okay, let's just bring the RPMs down. So basically, let's try doing it quickly now. Oh no! I went into neutral again. God dang it. Anyways, let's do that too. You should. Okay. I did it a little bit wrong there. Anyways, when you're revving it, you should probably go into higher gears, just like that. Just like okay. Now we need to yeah, just keep on going like that. Because those will. Oh, okay. You should probably turn around. But that's how you'll get like, oh my god, it's a train car. I did not see that. Okay, I think it's just gonna push me, isn't it? Okay, I did not see that at all. Okay, I'm not really used to this manual transmission nonsense. Anyways, now when you're in high gear, let's just keep on going. Okay, let's start at 4. Okay, now let's slow down. Oh yeah, there's that crack. Slow down. 2. Oh yeah, there we go. Basically get cracks in just driving really fast. It's kind of impossible because even in real life that wouldn't happen because it needs to be in an area where there's no flames, or else the flames will just spontaneously combust. If you think about it. Oh, I hit the train track. Anyways, now let's return back to our house. As you can see, when you buy a house in Driving School Sim, I totally didn't steal it, but when you buy one, it removes the gate because before it's like someone else's gate, but now it's your own house. So let's just do that again. Okay, let's just wait. now let's just get into high gear. Oh, okay, this thing has 7 gears. Okay, right around 4 to 5. Okay, 6, 5. I mean 6, 5. Okay, I couldn't do it. This area is a little bit small. Now let's just get back up the gears again. 3, bang into 4, bang 5, and then straight to 6. Okay, 7, 6, 5. Okay, that didn't do anything. 4. Okay, those are the Crackle Pop Pops. 3. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, the train tracks are really bothering me at the moment. But basically, okay. Yeah, there we go. 4 to 5. Okay, now let's bring it back to 4 to 5. 1. Oh yeah. Those cracks sound like when you know in Among Us when you crack someone's neck? It sounds just like that, and that's what I love about it. It sounds so satisfying. Also, another cool thing you can do with this transmission is that you can basically do this. It's like going to 4. Then you can get ultimate loud noise because you're totally not over-revving the engine and slowly killing it by doing that in real life. But listen. Oh yeah, you've never heard of that. That sounds beautiful, and you get those flames come out like the exhaust. So actually, it's a win-win situation, even though you're not really damaging your engine driving Slow Sim. But that's a cool another thing you can do. Oh, okay, let's go on the wrong side of the highway. I love it. It's all Mr. Drunk Driver's fault. It's not my fault at all. Anyways, now let's. I'll show you the high ref feature, which should be another video of how to like do that. Now what you want to do is just do this. Oh, that sounds beautiful. Okay, now let's actually like do the thing that this video is about, which is getting Crackle Pop Pops in your exhaust pipe, which is really satisfying, like Among Us neck cracks when you die. Let's get up to 6. Okay, let's go straight to 6. Whoa, is the plane gonna crash there? Anyways, now let's go into 7, 6, 5. No, it keeps. Okay, this place is really small, but I think you guys get the idea at this point. And basically, that's how you're gonna be able to basically get all the Crackle Pop Pops out of your exhaust. Basically, drain them fully out of it. And yep, that will be Oddmode Factory signing out. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Oh no. Well, this will be Oddmode Factories crashing out because of Mr. Drunk Driver.